And next and lastly na napili ko is Wonderground. App din siya. And same din sa pang weather forecast din. Para ayun, nakafocus kami kasi talaga sa weather forecast dahil sa syempre paiba-iba yung panahon, and parang gusto namin mag-prioritize ng kung paano mo malalaman kung may baha ba sa daanan, and maghanap din ng ibang ruta. So ayun, nakafocus kami sa pag-program ng kung meron bang mga app na pang weather forecast na ayun, parang worth it, parang idea dun sa gagawin naming app. Yan. Tapos ito yung key features nun. So it has historical weather data. So pwede mo makita kung ano yung weather kahapon, ganun. And to understand na rin yung patterns ng weather. Hourly forecast for up to 10 days. Customizable siya. Tapos may overlay din. Various weather parameters, access to weather station, data for localized information. And ang advantage naman nito is valuable siya for his historical weather data for analyzing trends. And it provides detailed hourly forecast for free version. And it offers a decent range of features. And yung disadvantage ng app is meron siyang ads, and dahil free version siya, and may ad. Pro version naman niya is expensive, $20 per year.